Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camera straps that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Altura Photo Rapid Fire Camera Strap. Working and taking care of your kids at the same time can be difficult. You do not want to leave expensive instruments like a camera on a table only to find it broken. If so, Altura Photo Rapid Fire Camera Strap is the perfect camera neck strap for you. It has a metal plate that holds heavy devices without leaving scratches on it. It evenly distributes the weight of the camera on your shoulder, making it easy to use for a longer period. You can also attach the camera on a tripod without having to detach the plate. Moving on, at number 4, we have the USA Gear TrueSHOT Camera Strap. If you are looking for the best camera strap for hiking, look no further. This USA Gear TrueSHOT camera strap has a neoprene padded system that distributes the weight of the camera on your shoulders and neck. Its non-slip surface design helps you to easily take snaps in difficult postures without worrying about the camera. The best part is that it comes in multiple designs, helping you make a fashion statement at different photography events. At number 3, we have the Peak Design Leash Camera Strap. This multi-purpose camera strap is perfect for your minimalist photography needs. Consider it as your strap intern with flexible skills, as it can be used as your camera sling strap, neck strap, and also a safety tether. Simply carry it in your pocket and attach to almost anything: cameras, binoculars, tripods, rangefinders, etc. It is one of the best camera straps for hiking as it smoothly glides over your clothing, allowing you to access the camera from multiple angles. At number 2, we have the Tarion Khaki Camera Shoulder Strap. Want to cover your sister's baby shower or your kid's birthday party with your new camera? Make sure you have taken all preventive measures to protect your device. Tarion Khaki Camera Shoulder strap is perfect for holding your camera carefree and letting it hang on your neck while you socialize. This camera neck strap can also be used to leash telescopes, monoculars, and other tools. This is a leather camera strap with a vintage appeal, which is sure to go with your classic outfit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Art Tribute Vintage Camera Strap. Made for photographers who love to present themselves in style, this Art Tribute Vintage camera strap will be your favorite companion. It is perfect for photographers who cover wedding shoots, parties, nature walks, and more. This faux leather camera strap will not only prevent your camera from slipping, but also help you with attaching and detaching quickly as needed. You can use it for years because it has abrasion resistance to ensure reliability. Simply get a complementing outfit and slay the event with this trendy leather DSLR camera strap. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.